Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to put a brand new air filter in a 2013 Ford Fusion with the 2.5 liter inline 4. They made a bunch of different engines for this vehicle, so make sure you're watching the right video that coincides with the engine that is in your car. Doing this work yourself is a great way to save money because if you take it to a mechanic or a dealer, they can charge you maybe even upwards of $100 to just put an air filter in, and it should only cost you the price of a filter, and it doesn't even take any tools. So with that out of the way, let's jump in. So this is our air filter box. It's directly to the right on the driver's side. It's pretty easy to locate. All you do is flick these clips, pull up and pull forward like this a little bit. The boot will accommodate that. You don't want to disconnect your mass airflow sensor either, just because I don't want to unplug the battery. So it's a lot easier to just kind of maneuver it out of the way. Then we can remove our old air filter and peer down in there. It's a little dirty, so we're gonna suck that out with a vacuum. So you just want to clean up any kind of dirt and contaminants in there. You could also use like a wet terry towel or paper towels or something. Just make sure you get all the big debris out of there, and it looks pretty darn clean right now. So here's our new air filter. It is a Napa Gold 2048. I've left a link down below in the description to a comparable product, most likely a Motorcraft. I like using Motorcraft, but this needed to get done today. So we're using what we got, inspect it, make sure it's identical to the previous one, which it is. And since it's a rectangle, it only goes in two ways, so that's nice. And you just want to seat that down in there and make sure that it's on this little ledge. And what I mean by that is go around and push it down into its home, because otherwise it'll just sit on top of it and the airbox won't seal properly. And that can cause all kinds of problems. There we go, make sure that air filter is nice and seated. There's two tangs, there's one here and one over here you can't quite see, but they work exactly the same. You want to just force it down and walk it backward until those two tangs are in their homes like that. Sometimes it's easier to kind of hinge them in. You kind of sweep it into where it wants to go, just like that. And then push down on the airbox and put these clamps back on. Super easy, and you're all done. Thank you so very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I have left links down below in the description to all pertinent information and links to products. If this video has helped you at all, I hope I've earned your like and your subscription. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.